The National Education Policy. The National Education Policy is widely discussed in view of its recommendations and guidelines. There is apprehension as well as acceptance. Academic institutions are the primary stakeholders constituting college management in the role of policy making, academic staff in knowledge transfer, training and placement staff in opportunity scouting, and coordination staff in process delivery. These role functions are interdisciplinary and have one primary participant, the student community. It is the pivot which turns the economic growth engine. A multidisciplinary approach to learning is one of the main features of national education policy. Consider an example for grades 6th to 10th under national education policy. Global transportation, channels like land, water, and air, and their significance in the export and import of goods with reference to India is a topic in geography. It has context in economics while discussing the industry sector's contribution to the economy. This multidisciplinary approach to learning maps the above example to geoeconomics and geopolitical scenarios. The global energy concerns as a result of the Ukraine crisis and India's priorities for energy sufficiency can be debated by students of 6th to 10th, encompassing world history and institutions, industrial shift impacting climate change and sustainable solutions for energy consumption. Students can audit energy consumption practices within their school community to create green campuses. In the process, they are introduced to data collection, analysis, and application of various tools to audit the same. Grades 9th to 12th have a bucket list combining science and humanities, including lab work. Ideation on affordable alternative energy solutions can be explored with suitable skill sets. Biodegradable battery resources as a sustainable solution and regulations on EVs as a component of policy making can be discussed. Energy consumption practices in neighborhood communities can be surveyed to collect feedback on implementing affordable alternative energy solutions and submitted to policymakers at the local level. In the above example, the knowledge base for students is formed by observing real time scenarios. The entire process delivers a creative centric approach based on critical thinking and problem solving, identifying the KSA knowledge, skills, and abilities levels of each talent pool. The current industry paradigm shift is leveraged on emerging technologies. They play a significant role wherever end user experience drives the innovation engine. Technologies in the manufacturing industry are designing living spaces influencing lifestyles. Nanotechnology is about creating exciting possibilities with applications from consumer goods to healthcare and chip designing to space technology. Service providers and product developers analyze human behaviors in the context of technology implementation. For example, blockchain technology with its decentralization component contributes to digital data security, a high priority for the end user. Data is a reflection of an individual's behavioral partners, connecting savings to expenditure and networking to lifestyle choices. Collating this data influences the designing of physical, intelligent, and hybrid SCM supply chain management models. These disruptive technologies are sustainable and lead to innovations which have affordable access to a large number of end users, creating new markets. Human experience creates new markets for innovation, which is invention combined with a commercial component. The National Education Policy recommends credit courses along with other disciplines, pushing for creativity driven innovation, organically progressing towards entrepreneurship. The entire design showcases an innovative centric approach. The University Grants Commission has recommended a curriculum framework credit system for 4 years degree program having 160 credits for 8 semesters with 22 credits for each semester of 90 days duration. They can be completed on distance, online, physical and hybrid platforms. Specific skill sets are necessary to work on emerging technologies. Government initiatives like TASK, NSDC, and NIMSME build capacity workforce by training in necessary skill sets and aspects of entrepreneurship.